Hey everyone, and welcome to a week of festive videos. Today I'm going to be sharing 6 healthy snacks for kids. Let's dive in. First, let's start with our homemade tortilla chips. For these, you just need soft-shell tortillas, olive oil, and sea salt. I used Christmas cookie cutters to cut them into these festive shapes. I threw these in the oven at 350 for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how crispy you want yours to be. Next, we have our Baby Belle cheese. Super simple, you're just taking the pre-packaged Baby Belles and using a Sharpie. I used black and silver metallic Sharpie to draw on a Santa's belt that makes the Baby Belles look like cute little Santa bellies. Next, we have our watermelon Christmas trees. I made these extra simple by buying pre-cut watermelon. However, you can buy a full watermelon if you would prefer. So I bought the pre-cut triangles and then cut little notches to make them more tree-like. Next, we have our salami and cracker Santas. For these, I just bought crackers, salami, and cheese, and then cut the cheese and the salami to look like Santa's beard and a little Santa hat. Next, we have our cream cheese and black olive penguins. For these, you just need black olives, cream cheese, and carrots. You could also use mozzarella balls if you would prefer. It's slightly less messy than using the cream cheese. And finally, we have my personal favorite, which are the Grinches wearing Santa hats. For these, you just need grapes, a slice of banana, and the strawberry with the stem cut off. You can also, for your older kids, add marshmallows to make it a little bit more tasty, and that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope this gave you some new ideas. I will put the recipes down below in the description box, and please let me know if you try any of these recipes in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Put some Christmas music on.